welcome back to the Happy Hues. Let's see how we can crochet this cute little heart. Here, as you can see, I have created these in different colors. You can take color of your choice. The yarn I have taken here is a pure cotton crochet yarn. You can even use acrylic or acrylic plus cotton, although cotton yarn gives good finishing while crocheting. So here is the material which we'll require: hook size 1.5, scissor and the yarn of your choice. Start with taking a magic ring here. Now insert hook and pull a loop to create a slip knot like this. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now work 2 try crochet into the ring here. Work one more. Next we'll work 3 double crochet into the ring. Again work 1 try crochet. Also pull the yarn tight to tighten the ring so it will be easy to work. Next again we'll work 3 double crochet into the ring. Then again 2 try crochet. And lastly we'll take chain 3 and slip stitch to the ring. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Pull the left yarn tight to close the ring here. And here we are all done. So this is how our heart will look like. I hope you enjoy making this. In case if you like the tutorial, please do like, share and subscribe, which definitely helps us to grow our channel. And next, you don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any latest update. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.